Oh, hey, YouTube. George here. Another 148. Robbie sent this over. He sent a letter with it. Says, "Hi George, it's Robbie. The fella I got the Cobra off said it was working. Works FM AM, throws out watts, but USB LSB have no watts. I am not sure about the mic. It keys, but not sure on sound, mate. Can you check everything, please? Really appreciate it, mate. Needs a good service." Okay, so I didn't use the mic that came with it. Now I'm using my own. We'll try the one that came with it. Hold on. Okay, so standard Cobra coffin mic, molded black plug on it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, that's working. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. It's a Mark 1 anyway, no by the Roger beep. And I think little dink on the chrome here, but apart from that, it's pretty good. It's just manky. And the knobs are filthy. Rusty screws, cases are manky, but channel 9 is channel 9, tone is tone, is it? Yeah, tone is tone. I think we're looking at an unmolested Mark 1 here, as in unmodified. So we'll pull it apart, strip it down into its constituent parts, and see where we go from there. Well, I was right. I had it all asunder here now, at the front off, cleaned everything. The controls were so stiff, like you really wanted 2 hands to turn them. I denotched the clarifier, left the stock insert in there because that's what he wanted, and just put an LED in there for longevity's sake. So she's gonna sit here now for an hour or two. What are we, 20 odd degrees in here, 22 degrees, and we'll get it tuned up. It's a little off. That's just on one band. Yeah, she's just a little off, so we'll put her back to where she needs to be. And with denotched clarifier, as I said, it just makes it easier that you don't have the notch. It was a bit sticky in it anyway, so it was no harm to take it out. This radio is totally original. Well, it was until I put the LED in it. Apart from that, it's bog standard. It's never been touched. No cut wires, no sign of conversions or any of that sort of stuff. It's completely as Unit N intended, which is very, very rare. It's even still got the wax in the, that's the factory wax by the looks of it, in the VCO core. So we'll be leaving that there, and we'll just give her a tune up. It's Mark 1, 3 sets of cans, and it's just an age related tune up really, that's all. And we'll probably put a protection diode in it as well across the power socket, just in case it ever gets hooked up backwards, just to save it. All the knobs are cleaned, you just have to reline them, and we get her tuned up then. But I polished all the chrome, I even polished the back end. I'll show you all that when we have it finished. But so far so good. So fast forward about a half a dozen hours or so, and she is all back together and tuned up. And let me tell you, to tune up a 148 Mark 1 that has never been messed with before, it was such a joy. It just tuned up lovely, really. It wasn't that far out, but just to get it bang on. And we have the knobs back on, we have the lines all redone, the nice orange, and you know, it just smartens them up because they do fade. Just a pity about the little dink in the chrome, but she's secret sauced. All new stainless screws everywhere, and the speaker as well. And we just get the back of it around here. polished up the back of it. Put brand new screws in the power socket because they were gone all rusty. And give her a right good old clean. So what we'll do now is we'll put it on the dummy load, just see what it's doing. Right, so there you go, that's the microphone that came with it, and we give it a nice clean, and I'll have to do something with them. Forgot about those, but we'll get to them before it gets over here. Clean the screws, but all the rest of it's cleaned, and wash the cable, even clean the plug with the secret sauce. So we're on AM. There you go. And now we go to FM. 5 watts. Sideband. Oh wait, no, hold on, turn up the mic again. And it's got that very distinctive beep that the Mark 1 has got. Lower sideband. So she's putting out loads of power. What we'll do now is we'll just put it back onto the big aerial and we'll have a look at everything on the scope. Right, so we're back on the IMAX now. We're going through the scope, and I see, there we go, nice waveform. What we should be seeing on sideband looks good, nice and clean, nothing out of the end ordinary. We'll just go to lower sideband. So there you go on lower sideband, it's just the same, no issues at all, everything working as it should be. Go to AM. 1 2 3 4, check 1 2 3 4 5. Hello radio. I'll put this lad down on to 385 and we'll hear the beep. Give her a bit of volume there. No, a bit too much. 1 2, a bit more, a bit more. It's hard to get this right. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Break. Bit more for the beep. One, two, 3 4. So, sounding well. Got the distinctive beep that the Mark 1s have. And what can I say? Been a pleasure to work on this radio. So he's looking for a bracket and thumb screws. I have a bracket and I have loads of thumb screws, so we'll sort that out for him. And it's ready to get out of here. So 73 is all. We'll get you in the next one. Bye bye.